I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick up, but you guys can see the white stitching there. I think I'm gonna remove this and I'm going to bleach it. Guys, so what I want to do is remove this lace because I want to obviously bleach my knots, and I don't like this thread that's showing through there. So I'm gonna get a really fine tip scissors, and hopefully you guys can see me do this. So there's a thread there. I'm just gonna cut along that thread. Okay, so that's the first layer. Okay, so right now we're gonna install this wig. Okay, so it came in this box from U.Nice, and this one is actually straight from Amazon, you guys. So yeah, if you want this wig, you can definitely buy it through the Amazon website. I will link it below. You guys can see now that I removed that lace underneath and I bleached the knots, it is pretty undetectable, and this is without any cap underneath. That's what the scalp looks like. It is a T-part wig, and it's a fake scalp T-part wig. Really simple. The hair curls very nicely. Ooh, I just burnt myself. See? So I love that about it. And take in these highlights, guys. This looks so beautiful. And I don't have any products in the wig, so that lace actually matches my skin very well. It's beautiful. And the color is T4/12 ombre color. Again, it's an 18 inches, so it's the U.Nice hair silk base fake scalp ombre highlighted middle part wig. And it's Brazilian straight. The hair is soft. I'm running my hands through it. There's no shedding. I want to make sure you guys understand the lace is just going down the middle there, about an inch space, and then just right along here. And this is what the hair looks like curled. I'm going to turn around. I really like this hair. It's a big head friendly because there's lots of room left in this wig. I can't stop running my hands through it. Look at the highlights. It's beautiful. Space is definitely limited, but that's okay. I mean, I love the middle parts. Like, that is my favorite part. I love this wig. I definitely recommend it. If you're gonna get this wig, you might have to put in some work to make it look just like this, but once you do, my god, is it ever beautiful. Look at this. So cute. And you guys saw how quickly it took for me to install it. What do you guys think? Comment below if you guys like this wig, what your thoughts are on this wig, and let me know if you think you'll buy one. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I mean, if you watch this video to the end, you are an MVP, and I want to thank you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.